Let's do another unboxing video. This time from a local store I received the package. It is called MediaMarkt, and then all of this gear that I have in this box are related to photography and instant printing. So not instant photo taking, but instant printing tools. Let's see what do we have here. This is a box of instant wide film, instant film, 20 sheets. I already have the camera, this Fujifilm Instax Wide, and this time I decided to give a try to a printer. We will see later what it is. So Instax Wide, and the next thing is the whoa, this is quite a hefty box. This is Selphy Square from Canon, and I'm a big fan of Canon selfie printers. I have a Selphy 1300 or 1300 1300 model, which I love tremendously. I have that printer with the battery. The battery was actually as expensive as the printer itself, and it made enormous fun for us. So in a later video I am going to make some comparison of this smaller size, because this other printer, the Selphy 100, actually the 1500 and the 1300, I have the 1300 model. They print 10 by 15 centimeters, full, let's call it full size photo printers, but these Selphy Square is definitely a lot smaller, and their size is 72 to 85 millimeters. This is the label size, and the actual size of the image on that label is 68 by 68 millimeters, so 2 millimeters smaller than 7 millimeters. Excuse me. And what else do we have here? Okay, this is the fourth item. This is actually a Fujifilm Instax Link Wide, a white version, and this is a Bluetooth printer. My understanding that is you cannot print directly from a Fujifilm camera, unfortunately. So my desire and my, how to say, admiration towards Fujifilm cameras evaporated when I learned that Fujifilm simply stopped making printers that can be linked directly to a Fujifilm camera. So this way, even in the Fujifilm world, first you upload or download the image into your mobile phone, and then use your mobile device. It can be a mobile phone or a tablet or an iPad. So that tool has a Bluetooth connection, and that's the only way you can print from Fujifilm. I used to have a Instax SP printer, and which is not manufactured anymore. It's a cancelled product by Fujifilm. So, and that is the new direction. This is not a problem, because I don't have any Fujifilm cameras, and these Fujifilm products, in my opinion, are brilliant, are excellent. So definitely I'm going to be very happy with them. Okay. Give me a second. Just refocused the camera. Okay, let's then unbox piece by piece. Okay, this is just the film. As I mentioned, I already had the camera, the Fujifilm Instax Wide camera, so this is just the film. But I'm interested how big, how the printer looks like. I always very careful, at least to be very careful with opening my gear. So this is a foot and possibly a charging cable. What is important, why these are important, because these printers, they have, okay, and that's the these printers, they have built-in batteries, so that's why they are portable, all of them, and much smaller than my printer. Here is my Canon SELPHY portable printer, and I brought it here just for comparison. So this is how it looks, and of course it has a battery. Let me bring the battery. This is the battery. Actually, this battery is quite powerful. It is okay to print 50 or so, according to the specification, 50 photos. So this is the SELPHY. Oh, sorry, it is not 1300, but this is the 1200. So sorry, SELPHY 1200 model, which I have, and definitely so even the size and heft. So, but this produces 10 by 15 centimeters of prints, but this Instax creates a lot smaller. But then of course the printer is a lot more portable, and I think for a number of applications this size could be perfectly enough. So I can even have this, in my opinion, in my camera bag, and then when I make a print, and it could be automatically transferred over to my phone, and then from that phone I can print immediately, let's say out of the camera case. Okay, so this is the Instax Wide, and then I have here the SELPHY printer. It has a much smaller cassette than the big brother. So this is the SELPHY. This has a big chunky cartridge which provides the ink to the paper. This seems to be a lot smaller. Excellent. The reason I purchased from this store, because this was heavily discounted. Practically it was on sale, almost half price as usual. So this is definitely even smaller, but heftier, much heftier than the Instax Wide. And the print size I have here, in the camera store, in the store, in the Media Mart, they didn't have the paper for this, so I purchased it separately. So this is the size. So yeah, definitely the Instax Wide has a bigger image size, print size than the Canon Selphy Square, but definitely this Canon looks absolutely gorgeous. So this was just an unpacking. So in my next video I'm going to demonstrate all of them and compare them. So as you can see, my goal was what is missing. I don't have here any Instax which is small. So in my recent purchase I wanted something which is smaller than this 10 by 15 millimeters SELPHY 1200 device, but bigger and bigger than the very tiny small. This is what I'm talking about. So I've already have the small, this is a zinc printer, and I also, as mentioned, I also have an Instax Mini, Instax SP printer, which also works. So these are very small prints, so I already have this size. So now I'm giving a try to a bigger sizes. So thank you very much for your attention. See you next time.